Good afternoon, student. In the previous video, you all have learned about the potential resources and the actual resources. Both are based on the stages of development. Today, you all will learn about on the basis of the ownership. Resources may be classified into the following types like the individual or personal resources, community resources, national resources and the world resources. So you can write here the points that resources may be classified. Resources may be classified into the following types. First we will come to the first point that I have said you that the individual resources. In the individual resources, it means that resources which can be used by the honored individuals. Examples like the land, house, well, these all are the personal or the individual resource. So you can write it here. In this resource, it is honored by an individual. You can give the examples also here like the land, house, etc. Now we come to our second point. The second point I have told you about the community resources. In the community resources, it means it is the resources which can be used by all the members of the community. You can give the examples also like the pond, parks, playground. These all are the examples of the community resources. So the second one is community resource. This resource is used by can be used by all members of the community. In the examples also you can write here. I have told you like the playground, park, etc. The third type is national resource. National resource are the resource which are honored by the particular nation and it belong to the nations only. It means the example like the forest, wildlife, water, land, resources, these all are the national resource. So the third one is the national resource. You can write here like these resources are honored by the particular nation. And you can give here the examples also. Just now I have told you like the forest, land resource, water, etc. And the last one is the world resource. World resource are the sum total of resources of all the countries. So you can write here world resource. These resources are the sum total resources of all the country, of all countries. So these are the four resources that are on the basis of the ownership. Up to here children, it is clear. Now we come to our next point, that is number 5th one, on the basis of distribution. On the basis of distribution. First we come to here, there is also, it is divided into the two parts. The first one is the ubiquitous resources and the second one is the localized resources. First we come to the ubiquitous resources. The first point you can write here the ubiquitous resources. It means these resources is found in everywhere. These resources are give some example here. I have told you that these resources are found in everywhere, like the sunlight, wind. These are the example of the ubiquitous resources. You can write here, these resources are found everywhere. Everywhere, and give some examples also here, like the wind, sunlight. Our next one is the localized resources. These resources are found in a particular places on the earth, like the what it to be say, like the coal, petroleum. These are the examples of the localized resources. So you can write here the definition, that the localized resources these resources are found in a particular place, particular places, and give the examples also, like the coal, petroleum, etc. So these are the two resources that are on the base of the distribution. Up to here children, it is clear? Okay, thank you.